If you're trying to make 2025 your best year ever and every year after that even better and better and better, then you're going to have to get comfortable with challenging yourself. And I know if you're watching up to this point that you're actually ready for the challenge, because you wouldn't have clicked on this video if you're not. And I know a lot of people don't have that confidence in themselves that they can go out and achieve the things that they believe that they can. But let me tell you something that really changed my mindset and has kept me propelling forward in life despite all the negative self-talk that I have. If you weren't capable of having or doing or being the person that you saw in your mind, you wouldn't be thinking it. If you didn't believe you could be this ultra successful, happy, peaceful, abundant, fit, healthy, happy person, you wouldn't think it. You wouldn't have those thoughts as if you wanted to be that person. You wouldn't have those dreams every night that keep you up late at night, or you wouldn't cry those tears because you feel so frustrated, because you feel like you're so stuck in life, because you're not where you want to be. You wouldn't. You'll be so much further ahead if you actually lean into the dreams and the goals that you have for yourself and stop playing small. For all of my life, I've been playing small. I've been allowing myself to believe that I want less or I deserve less than I actually know I should, because I've been disappointed in life, because I've been hurt, because I've been lied to, I've been abused, all these different things like that. I've been manipulated. And I've let all of those things that have been happening to me define how I view myself and my goals and my dreams. And if you're listening to this, then you've probably been doing the same thing too. You've been living smaller than you actually know you are. You've been quiet in situations where you know you should have spoken up. You were okay with just going with the flow when in reality, you wanted the structured thing. You know you wanted more. You just took the situation that was given to you and you ran with it, knowing you weren't satisfied with it. This is the year, and every year after this, if you actually want to have some shit change in your life, that you end that shit. You're gonna have to. You're not gonna have a chance to get all the big dreams and goals in your life accomplished that you want to be accomplished if you don't make room for the bigger, the better, the greater, the more. You can't keep taking, oh, I'll just take bits and pieces here. I'll just take what's given to me. No, ask and take for what you want in life. And if you're fearful, if you're scared to ask for that, if you're scared to put in the work to do that, then acknowledge that, because the first way to fix a problem is to acknowledge that it's a problem from the jump. You know you're playing small. You know you want more out of life than you're giving yourself a chance to even experience. So if you're going to want 2025, every year after that, every year after that, to keep getting better and better and better, start asking for what you want out of life. And not only asking for it, but start making room for it too. But you got this though. I know you do.